Lee is taking apart the house. You did it. Are you going to fix the door?
Yes, I fixed.
You know what this is called?
Yeah.
This is called a screw.
Yes, screw.
And what's this? Screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Are you taking another one out?
Yeah, another one.
Another one?
Because
The door.
I have to.
You have to. Why?
Because I have to check it.
Why? What are you checking?
A door. 電池は弱いかなって。電池。
Is the door broken?
Yes.
Can you put this one back?
No,
No.
because
Uh-oh.
I checked.
You're checking, huh?
Yeah. ほら、どんどんできてるでしょほら、どんどん。
Are you going to take apart the whole house?
Yes.
Every door?
Yeah.
Every screw?
Yeah. まだかな I'm checking the door.
Okay. Thank you for checking.